Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English Real World. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a like. Thank you. Today, we are going to talk about a very powerful technique for learning English, shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately, almost at the same time as the speaker. You do not stop to translate. You do not think too much. You simply listen and repeat. Many language learners around the world use this method every day. Why is shadowing helpful? First, it improves your pronunciation. Second, it helps your listening skills. Third, it makes your speaking more natural. And finally, it helps you remember useful sentences for a long time. Now, you may ask, how much should I practice? You do not need to practice for hours. Even 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a big difference. The most important thing is consistency. Practice a little every day. When is the best time to do shadowing? Morning is great because your mind is fresh. But any time is good if you can focus and enjoy the practice. Here are a few simple tips. Speak out loud if possible. Do not worry about mistakes. Repeat the same audio many times. And remember, repetition is more important than always learning something new. Alright, now let's do a short shadowing practice together. I will pause after each sentence. Please repeat the sentence after me. If possible, say it out loud. Ready? Let's begin. My name is David. I wake up early every morning. I drink a cup of tea and read a book. I like learning English because it helps me meet new people. Every day I practice for 15 minutes. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I keep going. I know that practice makes me better. On weekends, I walk in the park with my friends. We talk, laugh, and enjoy the fresh air. I also watch simple English videos at home. Shadowing helps me understand native speakers more easily. It also gives me more confidence when I speak. Learning a language takes time, but I enjoy the journey. Little by little, I become a better English speaker every day, and I never give up. Okay, great job, everyone. Thank you for practicing with me today. Now, tell me in the comments, have you ever tried shadowing before? How many minutes can you practice English every day? What is your favorite way to learn English? Will you start using shadowing after watching this video? I can't wait to read your answers. At the end, I want you to know that In the coming days, I will upload many more shadowing videos so you can practice English with me every day. We will learn together step by step with simple and useful English for real life. And I truly believe that if you watch these videos regularly, practice consistently, and never give up, you will make real progress in your English. Remember, learning a language is not about being perfect. It is about practicing a little every day. So stay with me on this journey. Keep repeating, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I promise to keep creating helpful content for you, and together we will become better English speakers every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.